Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the September 2021 add-on kits. So we have 3 add-on kits that you can choose from. You can add cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. These all coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. If you're looking for more add-ons in patterned paper or embellishments, check out the Shots of Life kit, which I'll have a link at the end so that you can see what's in this month's kit. This is a great way to have your kits go even further and give you more options and just more products to play with. So let's dig in. We're going to look at the cardstock first, and then we'll move on to the others. So the first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. This is great if you use cardstock for your backgrounds, or if you want to map photos, do digital die cuts or your manual die cuts. Just lots of options with your cardstock. The cardstock add-on gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So these cardstocks are not what you receive in the Flavors of the Month, but they're additional colors. So I like to leave these out like this so you can see which collections they go with, and also it helps kind of see how you could pull different collections together. So if you watched the Flavors of the Month video, I talked about how well Lake Life coordinates with Bungalow Lane. So you can also see that here. These colors will go well together. So starting with You Are My Sunshine from Bella Boulevard, you're going to get 1 sheet of Artesian Pool and 2 sheets of Begonia. For the Fancy Pants Lake Life, you're going to get a sheet of Pumpkin Patch and 2 sheets of Sapphire. For Paige Evans Bungalow Lane, you'll receive a sheet of Craft cardstock and 2 sheets of beeswax. And then for Simple Stories Lemon Twist, you're going to receive a sheet of daffodil and 2 sheets of patina. And the daffodil cardstock, I want to pull this out because this is Simple Stories textured cardstock. So this side is just a solid yellow, but the back is this awesome polka dot. So that's a little bit different from just your normal cardstock. So I love these when she includes those. So that is your cardstock add-on. The next add-on we're going to look at is the patterned paper add-on, and I know many of us love our patterned paper. So this gives you 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So again, these will not be in the Flavors of the Month. This is 2 additional patterned papers. So starting with Bella Boulevard, You Are My Sunshine, we have this one called What a Day, and it just has all of the small icons that you're going to see throughout this collection. The butterflies and rainbows and flowers and sunshine. The back is a polka dot on green. Have this one called Happy Thoughts, which is a 2-toned pink heart. And the back are these large dots in all of the different colors. For Fancy Pants Lake Life, we have this one that's a letterboard that says Life is Better at the Lake. So you could cut one of these out and use as a title. It'd be great as like a half a sheet or even the background. This one is called Alluring, and it has the fish lures all in a row, so that's a lot of fun. This one called Live Love Lake has the badges with, we have an elk, trees, a compass, canoe, the canoe paddles on that green background. The back is a script that says Live Love Lake. Then for Paige Evans Bungalow Lane is this paper here, which is just lots of tags. I love this. I love all of the patterns and all of the colors. So they're different on both sides, so you can choose what you like. This one was called number 22. So this one, number 3, is kind of a patchwork design of triangles, and you'll see lots of the different patterned paper that's in this collection. The back is a cross symbol in a 2-toned pink. And then for Lemon Twist from Simple Stories, We have this one, which is another one of those backgrounds that has all of the clusters and everything for you over here. So you could simply add a photo up against it or make another little cluster smaller over here and include a photo. Just love these papers. It's just gorgeous. The back is a checked pattern in the turquoise. That one was called Sweet Life. This one called So Sweet is the black and white check. And the back is this gorgeous print with the florals and the butterflies on that yellow. It's just stunning, and it looks gorgeous with that checked print there. So one more look at all of your additional patterned papers that you can add on. So that is your pattern paper add-on. Our last add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. So for it, you're going to receive extra embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So I do have one missing that I will talk about here in a moment when I get to it. But for Bella Boulevard, You Are My Sunshine, you're going to receive these cutouts with these templates. So this is for people that don't have digital die cutters, or maybe you just want to do something quick and easy and you don't want to take the time to cut it out yourself. So these are what you will use on your layout. These are cut from a heavy cardstock weight, and you can use them just the way they are, or you can back them with patterned papers. You could do it with all one color or piece it and each letter be a different color. So we have the title Sunshine and we have butterflies. You're also going to receive this template and instructions. So if you're not familiar with cutting and backing cut files, I want to take just a moment and kind of explain that. So if you are, you can fast forward if you want to. But these are made, they give you the template here. So one way that you can do it, and the instructions are for this method, is you would just loosely cut around each one of the images. Then you can take your patterned paper and that piece, put it over the top of it, and cut them both out at the same time. Now when you want to cut these out, you want to go just a little bit outside of the black line, because then what's going to happen is you're going to glue it onto the back of this. So you want a little bit of space so that you have paper that will glue to the back of that. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully that helps if you haven't ever backed cut files. You can also use them just plain. They can just go on your page, and it's a great look that way as well. So for the embellishments for Paige Evans' Bungalow Lane, they were delayed, so I don't have an example. So I'm going to put an image in here, but you will be receiving half a pack of the epoxy stickers. So they will vary among the kits, but again, it will just be half a pack of these epoxy stickers. For Lake Life from Fancy Pants Designs, you're going to get a package of enamel dots, which is really great colors. I love these. And for Simple Stories Lemon Twist, you're going to get half a pack of the foam stickers. So again, these will vary among the kits, but they'll be very similar. You'll have icons and then words for titles. One more look at your 3 add-on kits. Also check out the Shots of Life kit, because it coordinates. It can give you more pattern paper and more embellishments, along with the other kits we have available and all the individual items in the store that you can have shipped right along with your kits. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.